In this video, I'm going to show you how to manage compaction using offsets. Compaction, one of the many things a grader operator has to worry about. A wee helpful tip that worked well for me over the years. If I need to put a layer of base course in and I need to get it to finish level, so I'm putting a 100mm layer in, 0 on my design is where I want my base course to be when I'm finished. I can't grade to 0 because my rollers are going to roll the base course and then that's going to sink. So I'm going to have to redo it. I know the base course here in New Zealand, that's going to sink about 23%. If I'm putting a 100mm layer in, I need to put in an extra 23mm higher to combat this. So if I tap and hold on my elevation offset, I can type in a value that I want here. So I'm going to go 0.025. I'll just go 25 mils just to keep it simple. And I'm going to save that. That's going to help me later on. Cool, so now I've got that in there. I can lay as much base course as I want. After I've graded it out and the rollers have done their thing rolling it, it's going to be fairly close to being at finish level. Once the rollers have rolled it, you don't want to grade it back out at 25mm high because it's not going to sink. You're going to waste material and your finished work's going to be too high. So we can just tap on that. That brings us back to 0. And then if we have any other saved offsets in there, so I might save another one just at 0.005. So 5 mils high, I'll save that. So if I do have to do rework on top of the surface that the rollers have already compacted, I can just cycle through this, get to my 5mm high offset. I can do a final trim on that and then the roller's going to roll that and it's going to be pretty bang on when I'm finished. So happy grading.